We often find our faucet dripping. Sometimes we can turn it off temporarily by wiggling the handle around. So I'm going to replace the handle cartridge and register your faucet with Delta because you may be eligible for a replacement part at no cost. Comes with this little instruction manual that you can follow. I went under my sink and pulled my water supply handles out. So make sure you turn your water off to the faucet, however you normally do that. I'm just going to drain any excess water, and there's none. I'm going to remove the handle. There's a little hot and cold symbol here. Use a tiny flat tip or something, maybe a piece of a credit card. You don't want to scratch your faucet up. I'm just using my fingernail, and there it is. It pops right out. I'm using a size 3 Allen wrench. Just going to loosen this little nut that holds the handle on. It lifts right off, and there's my handle. Remove the trim cap. I'm removing the bonnet nut. I'm having to use ordinary pliers. Our 12-inch crescent wrench was not enough. You just unscrew that. It has a lot of threads. There. It's a copper cylinder. Now we lift this cartridge out. This is my new cartridge. Make sure the seal's intact. See these two nubs? They have to fit into the indentions inside the faucet. This orange slider's to the back. And I keep mine slid all the way to the left, which allows the maximum hot water mixture. I'm going to clean with paper towel just to remove any debris. Mine looks pretty clean. See there and there, there's the indentions. So line it up like so. There. Wiggle it to make sure it's seated all the way. Put the bonnet nut in, screw it in. This silver ring has to be screwed way down there. It has an O-ring there, which stops leaking. Once you have your bonnet nut screwed down nice and snug and your stick is a little tight to move, put your bonnet cover back on. See the hole in the handle? Gotta line that up with the stick. Reinsert your Allen screw, and I'm using the number 3 Allen wrench. It's nice and tight. And replace this little decorative cover. The red dot goes on the left. Push it in real good. And no leaks. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.